This rangefinder just might make you say, whoa! What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up this rangefinder here. It's by Wosports. Whoa! Worked for Joey and Blossom. And this rangefinder here is quite affordable and yet might be very feature packed. So I thought we would check it out. First of all, in this box here, we get an instruction booklet. We also get a lanyard right there, so you can throw that on your wrist. And then we also get a sealed up CR2 battery right there. So that's kind of nice. And then we get the rangefinder in this nice nylon pouch, little carabiner on here so you can clip it onto things. And if I just open it up here, you can see it has a magnetic flap, which I also love. And then here's the rangefinder. And man, this thing is small. It's so nice, fits in my hand. It's super light, plastic on the outside, and in those attractive panda colors, black and white. So what you can see here is it's just got a soft touch on all the plastic here, so it feels nice. It's not like overly grippy, but it's just that kind of soft velvety touch. So there's no cheap feeling plastic anywhere, right? And we do have a 1/4-inch screw hole right there, so you can put this on a tripod if you wanted to stabilize this. You don't have to use it just for golf. You could use it for long-range shooting, hunting, measuring other things. And then we have the Ocular piece right here, and as you can see, it moves, so we can dial in the focus like that. We have the two pieces here, so we have that monocular up here, and then that laser emitter and measure right there. And then on the top, we have two buttons here, power and then mode. On the bottom here, we have the little loop where you can put in the lanyard. And then right here, we have a little door where I can flip that down and then put in the battery, which I'll do right now. Pretty windy out here today, but I've been using this scope here, and I came to the driving range here because I want to show you what I am seeing as I'm using it. So the first thing I want to do is hit this little pile of wood here, this barrier, in mode 1. And when I hit the power button, it shows me that it's 53 yards away. And you'll notice that it's showing -4-degree angle, so just a little bit downhill. If I go over to this other one here, and again, it's a little closer, 45 yards, and downhill 3 degrees. Now, if I go way out here to this little wooden structure, and it's showing me that it's 122 yards, and again, a little downhill. This driving range kind of dips down, and then the back kind of rises up. If I go into mode 2, pin seeker mode here, I can go back and forth, and it shows me that it's 123 yards out there. If I go over and find this other pin, it doesn't even have a flag on it, and wave it back and forth, found it very quickly, 140 yards away. And if I go over here to this one that's very far away, this one is 274.6 yards. Now, when I actually looked at the GPS map on this, it looked like that flag out there is 275 yards. So that is spot on what I should be getting here. So I think from an accuracy standpoint, it is very exacting. Now, I will also say that you can see up at the top here, it's showing me the slope adjusted readings. So it's saying that it plays like 135 to that close flag because it's a little bit downhill, and 121 instead of 123. Again, because it's downhill 3 degrees, we get a little benefit because of the slope. So after using this rangefinder exclusively for the past few rounds, what do I think about it? Well, I love it. It is a great companion. It has really helped not only just finding the pin and the distances of the green, but the big thing is when you have to lay up the ball, it's not that easy to figure out if it's a 90-yard shot to the water or if it's 110 yards. And this allows you to pick a spot on the grass in front of the hazards, find the actual distance, lay up appropriately, and I really love that too. So I think it's going to actually help take strokes off your game. And at about $100, this rangefinder is a smoking good deal too. So if you want a good rangefinder at a great price in your bag to help you play a little better golf, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
This rangefinder just might... What? It just might make you a man?